Ever wondered about the pivotal battles of World War II? Today, we're embarking on a journey that will span across Europe, visiting the sites of the most significant battles of the Second World War. These are the places where history was written, where the world's course was forever altered. For those who delve into the depths of history, these battlefields are treasure troves of artifacts and stories. They offer a tangible link to the past, a context that goes beyond the written word. For history enthusiasts, these sites stand as a testament to the bravery, resilience and determination of those who fought for their lands and their beliefs. So, gear up, don your explorer's hat and lace up your boots. Join us on a journey through time and space as we delve into the heart of World War II. We begin our exploration with the Battle of France in 1940, focusing on two crucial events: D-Day and the Battle of Bastogne. In the heart of Europe, German forces outmaneuvered the combined might of France and the United Kingdom, resulting in a disturbing German occupation of France. D-Day marked the start of the liberation of France and Western Europe from Nazi control. At the same time, Bastogne played a significant role in the Battle of the Bulge. The remnants of these intense battles, such as the preserved bunkers and bullet-riddled buildings, are still present in the French landscape today. They stand as a stark reminder of the past, a silent tribute to the Battle of France, which marked a critical turning point in the war and left a deep, lasting imprint on the land. Next, we move to the skies over Britain in the same year. The Battle of Britain represents a turning point in World War II. During the summer and autumn of 1940, Hitler's Luftwaffe sought to dominate the skies, intending to pave the way for a land invasion. However, the steadfast Royal Air Force pilots held firm, changing the war's direction. This aerial battle, recorded in the annals of history, emphasized the importance of air superiority. The Battle of Britain was a fight for survival, waged not on land but in the sky. We then head eastward to the largest military invasion in history, Operation Barbarossa. This epic confrontation between Nazi Germany and the Soviet Union, initiated in the summer of 1941, changed the course of World War II. The fierce battles here saw the German forces initially advancing, only to be halted by the harsh Russian winter and the resolve of the Red Army. Operation Barbarossa was a massive undertaking, and its effects are still evident today. Our journey across the battlefields of World War II comes to an end. We've travelled across the stirring landscapes of France, Britain, and the Russian front, each site echoing with tales of courage, sacrifice, and strategic brilliance. These battlefields, now quiet, were once the stages for some of the most critical chapters of the Second World War. From the swift blitzkrieg tactics seen in France to the relentless aerial conflict over Britain and the monumental clashes on the Eastern Front, each location provides unique insights that enhance our understanding of this global conflict. For scholars, these sites are like open history books, each artifact a sentence, each battlefield a chapter. They serve as tangible reminders of the human cost of war, the strategic complexities involved, and the lessons we can learn from these significant events. As we remember these battles, we pay tribute to the sacrifices made and lessons learned still relevant today. Until our next adventure, keep exploring the pages of history.